What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a national day trading recap. Check it out. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump into this video here. Today was a very weird day in the SPY. Let's see here. Well, this doesn't show me enough pre-market data. Let me see if I can get that pre-market on here so I can show you what the SPY did. Let's go over to SPY. As I do that, guys, do me the quick favor. You know what it is. Smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel, especially if you haven't. And if you have or haven't, and you just subscribed now or have subscribed in the past, make sure you hit that notification bell so you're alerted every single time I upload a new video. Let's see here, maybe in settings. Pre-market, perfect. All right, perfect. So there we go. Pre-market. Okay, so here we go. Here's the SPY. You know, on Thursday we had that low down here at 275.44. It bounced off of it, went up here to 279 area. Finally ended up today closing out, and then this morning it was down here at 275 and change, and then it bounced from there out of nowhere all the way back to 278, only to have the market open up and dump all the way down here to 272 land. That's just insane. Oh, here we go. You can see a little bit better there. A little bit better there. Look at that. Like, you know what it is to gap down like that and then bounce, take it all back, and then open up the market and then just dump. It's just crazy. It's crazy. You can't really like get a clear-cut direction on it at all. Let me get rid of this pre-market data here for myself because I don't really use it during the day. So then, you know, since we had that action going on, I had my eyes on one small cap this morning, which was WORX, WORX, and honestly, it's been pretty choppy. Opened up, pushed off the bell, pulled it in, and then it finally had a nice little move here on a VWAP 90 MA cross, pushed up to new highs here. Real nice move. You know, that's a real nice move. It's a clean move from, if I can get my mouse, there we go, from $6 and change all the way up to over $8. Pulled it in now, but hasn't tested these pre-market levels of $9 and change, which is also a level on the daily. That's why that line is there. I never remove my lines on the daily for the most part, and that's an old level there from the daily, just like all of these are. So no trade for me on it, just because by the time it made its move, I had already made my trade on the day. I don't even know at what time I took my trade. Let's see here. I don't even know what time I took my trade, but I took my trade on Boeing again. BA's just been an ATM machine for me lately. Trading its options, trading the stock itself, just in and out, boom, taking slow, low risk, easy profits. Today would have been a much nicer day had I gotten my full fill. I don't know what happened here. I thought I had two puts on Boeing, and I only had one, which is extremely disappointing. I thought I had marketed into my second put, but I guess I had a limit order out, which I had to cancel. And I just never got it. It sucks so badly because I was trading my plan perfectly. So Boeing, we had, whoops. Okay, so this is the opening bell right here. I wish I could make this a little better. There we go, opening bell right there. Boeing pulled it in, bounced, pulled it in, bounced, pulled it in. And it's been just kind of like bouncing and giving it up, just like the SPY basically has been doing all day or all morning. It's only 11 a.m. right now, 10:59 a.m. as I record this. And I took, you know, a nice opportunity there using levels off the daily as well. I was eyeing this 149 area to break, okay? This top right here, kind of like this bottom area here, and Thursday's low. I figured if we broke that, we might get a flush down, which I wasn't going to hold my second put all the way down here, but I figured it'd be an easy trade, and it was an easy trade. I'm so mad I only got one fill. Let me grab that recording. Let's see here. I believe it's this one. Yeah, there it is. So this whole time, I only have one. I never even looked at this because you know when you click and you got to feel how sometimes like your screen jitters, your chart moves, or you'll see a number move out of the corner of your eye. I saw that and I didn't pay close attention to the quantity, which I guess I should have, but I'm honestly not feeling the best today. I don't know if it's allergies or what it is. It's definitely not the ailment that's out there. Can't use the word because then you get demonetized. But yeah, I just not feeling too well today. I think it's just allergy based. So out of the corner of my eye, I saw my screen, kind of jitter, like move, twitch, whatever. And I thought I got that second one because I first got one. Then when I saw we were going to really get it going, I added the second one. But I guess I still hadn't switched over to market into the second one. And I only kept it here at limit, and it sucks. It was a nice trade. It was a really, really short trade. I got shorted right here on this attempted bounce. And I picked the 17th expiration 152.50 strike put. I'm in it at $8. The ask is already at $8.45. And, I was just looking for a quick dump. That's all. I was looking to take a quick profit here, like take one off, at $1, like up $1 a share in the contract. I was looking to take one off and then hold the second one, looking for the flush into the new low. And I was going to take it off probably there. So it was going to be so easy because it's going to be a $100 winner on my first contract, followed by probably another $200 winner on my second contract, which I do get the levels, when I continued watching it, even though I didn't have the second contract. So it would have been a nice $300 winner. So frustrating, but green is good, and I got a nice little base hit to start the day. So we're just watching it there. I'm also watching the SPY at the same time, and see, I'm getting ready to put a limit order out. I was having trouble, and that's because the num lock wasn't on my keypad, wasn't working. So there we go. I finally put $9. It's funny because by the time I put $9 in here, I would have already been on the ask, but now I'm late on the ask. But no big deal. Look at this huge bearish candle all the way down to the lows of Thursday. These are Thursday's lows right here. Oops, I was going to click place order. There we go. Place order. Instant fill. Instant fill. We go off to 915s. And we continue dumping it. At this point, you see I'm exiting my broker there because I thought to myself, well, maybe this is frozen. I'm going to restart it and see if when it comes back, I see my second put. I really thought I had two puts there, but no, I did not have two puts. And that sucks because, well, I only got the one trade in at $8, out at $9. And you want to see where those puts are going off now? They were the 152.50, if I'm not mistaken. Yep, 152.50 put 17th. Oh my God, those are going off at $10. Good Lord. I was in at $8, so it's only a couple of dollars. See, I'm not feeling too well, so I think I'm going to stop right here today because my mind is a little flustered. I think it's just from these allergies, springtime allergies, congestion going on here. And you know how when your mind feels like that, like congested, and just can't process and think fast enough. So I think I'm going to take that green, hold on to it. Tomorrow's another day, and I'm sure we're going to get much more opportunities here. And I'm going to tell you what, while I'm going to still be watching futures, while I'm still going to be watching small caps, I'm going to still be watching this Boeing, because this Boeing has been paying me basically every single day for the past week and a half. So I'm going to keep taking money out of that ATM machine while it's there, and might scale it up. I tried to scale it up today to 2 contracts, might scale it up to 2 or 3 contracts, maybe even a little bit more, because I'm comfortable up to 5 contracts on plays like this. So I'm definitely going to do that. And as long as these opportunities are going to present themselves, I'm going to attack them. And then once I see that they're not working, I'm immediately going to scale it back so that I don't push, because this happened before. This is a very important lesson. It's working. You're scaling, and all of a sudden it stops to work. But you keep pushing, and then instead of taking a small little loss here, and figuring out the next move and scaling again, no, you just give it all back. It's happened to me before. I'm not going to let it happen to me this time. So I'm going to continue doing that, watching here. I have a new broker I'm working with right now for futures. So while I still have my other broker open, maybe I'll take a trade here and there, and if it's something worthy of a video, I'll do it. If not, I'm gonna hold off and start working with the new broker here soon. Just it looks like a much better platform, way better commission rates. So once I test that one out thoroughly and I do a review video, I'll let you guys know all about it. I think it's gonna be much better. So definitely better on the commissions by far, and the platform looks amazing. So we'll see about that. Let me know how you did. What did you trade today? Drop it in the comment section below. I hope you had a great Easter weekend. Smash that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Remember, in the description section below, you're going to have a link to Webull, 2 free stocks when you fund your account, and free trade. Just open an account. No need to fund it, and you get 1 free stock. So it's a no-brainer. That's 3 free stocks by funding 1 account, opening another, and that's it. Hope to catch you on the next one.